My topic is all about software interface component. M- Most of the software components are quite well known. Where you see this kind of important important in a computer software. You will see all of important thing in a computer software. Software components are parts of system application. Components are breaking into complexity software into the manageable part. Each of component side of the complexity of its implementation behavior interface component can be swapped in out like interchange, in, interchangeable parts of a machine. Now let's take a look of example of software interface component. Windows or layers. So as you have noticed, some of browser just like Facebook, there's a big difference UI design in a desktop and then in the mobile phone or a mobile app in Facebook. There's a big difference with their design. So it is important in the design between Windows desktop and mobile app. Okay, so that is our first component. The second one is icon. If if you look here, there's many icon. As you can see, we have example here. Of course, if you seen icon sign, just this is we can use when we develop a system or a software, just like the other website or any website, they have a social media account and they have an icon. If you click the icon and it will go to their social media account. So it is a big help to contact the owner of website. So it's really important we have icons. The third one, menus. Um, the next one is very important because all of application has been used. This is very useful for the user and anyone to use other website because this menu used to navigate your system. So there these are allow at activation of command and task through selection rather than recall. Oh. Direct interaction. Direct interaction. The mouse touch-based interaction is strongly tied to to the concept of direct and visual interaction. User when able to do things to the mouse to provide the target things. A direct metaphor touch. Rather rather than commanding the operating system to indirect execute job through keyboard input. Mm, and the another one is gu- graphic user interface component. Mm. We are very familiar with this one because it It is used also in creating a software or web or system. The difference component of graphics user interface within TechBox, we use it in we are logging something just like Facebook, Gmail, something yung pinaglalagyan ng email and password. And the other one is the, the other one is toolbar. If is we use a Photoshop, a Google, or micro uh, forms, meron palaging doon na toolbars sa taas. So, lagi natin nakikita yon. Forms. Also, the one of example is forms. Very familiar, the mixture of menu, minus button and text box, and also a dialog or a combo box. This is a mixture of text box for a mix mode input. 3D interface in a 2D interaction input space. In computing, 3D interaction is a form of human-machine interaction where we can use to move and perform interaction in 3D space. So that's why 3D is popular to human, because human wants a 3D game. So it's so very popular nowadays. Other non-WIMP interface. Non-WIMP user interface such a virtual environments, including ongoing continuous interactions with the user, unlike the contemporary graphic user interface or WIMP type interface. Most currently, visual, non-visual language for describing human-computer interaction, and on the other hand, are built on serial discrete token-based model. Conclusion. Although there are different types of software, this software is used in the different sectors. Their operating process is also different. Learning and do it properly, it's important to teach others how to do things. It nowadays, just like us, it's important to know about a social interface component, because these days we we create a website and other software, so it's really important na matutunan ito.